Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Creations. In today's guide, I'll show you how to get Poly.ai Premium quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Step-by-step guide to getting the Poly.ai Premium. First is to open and login. Install an app, Poly.ai application. Tap the profile icon, which you'll find onto the bottom right. Select login or sign up, and then choose Google or email to login. Step 2 is to access subscription option. Once login, go to the subscription page and you'll see two plans, the Poly Premium and the Poly Standard. Poly Premium has a fully features, while onto the Standard only has a limited access. Step 3. Select a plan and subscribe. Tap subscribe under Poly Premium and then choose your plan. The per month first is 22 euros per month, and there's also a 225 euros per year, which is also discounted. After that, complete the payment process. Once subscribed, you'll now have the access to Poly.ai Premium features. Enjoy exclusive AI tools with Poly.ai Premium. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching Viral Creations. See you into the next one.